The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, about a month between take profits. Entry levels, 0.9714 to 1.0600. Take profit targets. Target 1, 1.2406. Target 2, 1.3381. Target 3, 1.4389. Target 4, 1.5333. Target 5, 1.7481. Stop loss, 0.6226. Secret to success. Look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Important recommendation. After reaching each take profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price to protect profits and limit losses. Trade with me. Note, enter after a pullback. Disclaimer. This analysis is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. We wish you successful trading.